Smart Culture, Science.
Let's investigate how intermolecular forces affect evaporation. Different liquids evaporate at different rates, depending on the strength of the forces holding their molecules together. What we will do in this investigation is we will compare the evaporation rates of water, ethanol, methylated spirits, and nail polish remover. It is important to take note that this experiment is about comparing the four substances. If the stopwatch is started a second too early or too late, it will not change our findings because we are looking at the relative evaporation times, not absolute precision. I will begin with ethanol. So what I'll do is I will place 1 drop of ethanol on the watch glass and start the stopwatch immediately. You will see that the ethanol begins to spread and evaporate. The stopwatch shows that the ethanol takes about 5 minutes and 40 seconds to evaporate. Next, I will place 1 drop of water on the watch glass and start the stopwatch. You will notice that the evaporation is noticeably slower than what we observed with ethanol. Now, according to the stopwatch, the water takes about 16 minutes and 50 seconds to evaporate. Now, I will test methylated spirits, which is mainly ethanol mixed with a small amount of methanol. I place 1 drop on the watch glass and I measure the time. The stopwatch shows that it evaporates in about 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Finally, I will test nail polish remover. One of its main ingredients is acetone, which does not have hydrogen bonding, but only dipole-dipole forces. So I place a drop on the watch glass and start the stopwatch. It evaporates in about 1 minute and 3 seconds. Now that we have tested all 4 substances, we can compare their evaporation times. Water evaporated in about 16 minutes and 50 seconds. ethanol evaporated in 5 minutes and 40 seconds, methylated spirits in 4 minutes and 34 seconds, and nail polish remover in 1 minute and 3 seconds. This shows us that the differences in evaporation rates are linked to the strength of intermolecular forces. Substances with stronger intermolecular forces like water take longer to evaporate. Substances with weaker intermolecular forces like nail polish remover evaporate more quickly. The order from longest to shortest evaporation time is water, ethanol, methylated spirits, and then nail polish remover.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.